So this is the first time we've seen bison in person. Well, because they're all out here in the west. But there's like a little ranch over here near Zion that has a field of bison. And they are bigger in person than they look on, like on TV. So we're gonna go over here and take some photos of them and check them out, because I don't know if you can see it, but there is a whole field, and that's crazy. It's like a little resort place, a ranch.
It's a ranch. It's a bison ranch.
Yeah. So I feel a little bit bad because I bought bison meat. I'm gonna make some burgers out of them, but I'm excited to see them. Alright, so we've made it to Wirepass Trail. The trailhead, not the trail yet. We haven't even started. And yeah, it's like I forgot, but it's apparently the longest slot canyon in the US. If you don't know what that is, you will see. It's insane, and it's our first time seeing it. So we're very, very excited. I'm gonna pack some sandwiches for us. I'm gonna make some right now. We're just gonna get prepped and get ready for a hike. Got them done and ready to go. Alright, so we are officially started. We got water, some sandwiches, and we're ready. Oh, Millie's peeing. We're not ready yet. Pretty short hike, I think, so we shouldn't be that bad. And not to mention, we're gonna be inside of a canyon, so it looks like, from the looks of it, it's a little cooler inside of there because there's shade. But I guess we'll see. I don't even know where we're going though. Millie's that spoiled. So apparently the woman said that we have about a 10-foot ladder that we have to bring Millie down with. So we have to carry her down a 10-foot ladder. But I guess it's worth it when we get in there. It's our first big hike, so as long as we enjoy it, and that's what's important.
Millie is walking in Gabriel's shadow. Gives her a little bit of shade. She did give up back there, but she's doing great. She even runs to keep up with your shadow.
Yeah. We're almost there. So this is very similar to the places that we've camped in Moab. But this time we're not driving. This time we're walking.
Yep.
But the views are really pretty.
No.
Millie's overheating again. Her temperature gauge is up. But we should be almost there. We just gotta keep following this path, and then we'll end up in the slot canyons and then it'll probably feel good in there because it's shady, and we'll be basically underground. She's such a baby.
She's like a mountain goat. She just carries herself.
She's such a baby. Still got a while's way to go, but the views are really, really stunning though. These rocks are so orange compared to anywhere else that we've been. And the sky is so blue. We love it here. Here we go again.
She's a baby.
Yeah, she's just a baby. We had some wind just now, but it went away. It went straight back to sun. Well, I keep saying this, but we'll be there soon. Right?
Yeah, stop flying.
Look at Millie, bro. Oh, that's pretty cool.
You're hiking with a 10-pound dog and a bad knee.
Oh, what the?
She's hanging.
Finally seeing some signs. I understand her. She's just like, let me be dehydrated. I'm just trying to squeeze through here. Ow. Gosh. Oh. Dude. Give me her.
She's holding on and looking down. She's holding on and looking down. Scary. Spooky.
This is actually so crazy. We're like probably, I think, 10 feet down below ground at the moment. And we're just in the middle of a canyon. And it looks insane.
Taking over the GoPro cam since these drops are really droppy. That's a tough one going down.
You got it?
Yep.
All right, let's go.
We just came from there.
Let's go. Oh my gosh. At least it feels good down here. It's not too hot.
Not as good as in there.
Yeah, not as good. Over there was really, really cold. But over here, it feels good, but once you get out in the sun, it completely ruins it. Go, Millie. There you go. Good girl.
I just got pranked with a bird drawing. But this
There's so many handprints on
is
here.
crazy. I don't know how this
This was
works.
done by people. It has to be. Because look, there's like stupid sayings on it.
Well, of course, but how?
I have no idea.
There's handprints all over this wall.
The coolest hike I've ever been on. This thing is insane. And we still have more in other places. But this hike has been crazy. This hike has been crazy. There's so much to see here. And we're in the middle of like a valley of canyons. Wow. This is crazy.
We're in 10 minutes.
Not bad.
2 miles. 32 foot.
That's not bad at all. This is so cool. We saw petroglyphs and they look to be original, except for the handprints all over the sand. That's, to me, that's not worth doing. Just leave it alone. But the petroglyphs were really, really cool, and I hope they are original. And if you ever come across them, just leave them alone. But we're gonna walk a little bit farther and see how it is and go from there. Now that we're walking back, the wind starts picking up. So it's a decent walk back, but it's long.
Can't complain.
Cannot complain. We saw more than what we needed to. So we're back.
After a dusty and windy and hot trail.
You can't even see Millie back there. She is She's gonna pass out sooner or later. Oh, there she is. Desperate for food like always. We're gonna eat our sandwiches. I was expecting to eat this there, but it was so hot that we did not want to stop. We've officially found our camp spot. And this is, I wouldn't say this is like the craziest, but this might be.
What?
I think this might be top.
This is the craziest so far.
Like, we're in the middle of nowhere. Actually, I mean, we're like, I think like 4 miles away from the actual road, main road. The beginning already looks crazy, but then you come over here and it just like, it's boulders. You could literally see my truck next to one. And I don't know. It's just crazy. We're gonna go ahead and set up for tonight. We're gonna do a quick, easy meal tonight and just chill. But we have absolutely no service here. So we're just gonna watch our downloaded movies and just relax. But this is insane. Like, oh, look who it is. Everything about this trip has made me realize how crazy nature can be. Because in Florida, we don't see anything like this. All we see is freaking trees and alligators. Over here, it's completely different. So every time I see something new, or even Michelle sees something new, we're basically amazed by it because we have never seen this before. We've never seen anything like this before. So if you ever want to make a trip like this, we 100% recommend it. Okay. All right, done. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my drone, put it up in the air before the sunset so you guys can see exactly what we're talking about, what I mean that this looks like the moon. After a long day of hiking, it is well deserved that we got to our camp spot at actually a pretty decent time, and we've covered a lot of ground too, so not bad at all. So now we're gonna finish just shooting photos, and then we're gonna make some food and hop up in the tent. And Millie is now disgusting. Get it?
A shower, Millie. Millie's taking a shower. Millie gets so excited when she finds her McDonald's Stitch. I know! It's Stitch! Get it!
My Chef Boyardee